Oh wait a minute. I forgot to tell you that I was gonna remove these guys. I almost forgot. I didn't meant to say bye, but here's a part 2 of unboxing Lanky Box part 3 part 2. So let me get this guy out. Boxy first, which I'm so oops. Bro, he looks identical. Now here's Royal Rocky. He looks so royal. Oops. Let me use my scissors. Let me just there we go. By the way, wonder what's this watch? This is my dad's watch. So, well, he's an ad. So, this is what they look like unboxed. This one is kind of different because it looks so goofy. They're almost not the same. It's like sanded down and broken. Sticky looks like a stick, but with a shovel on the bottom. If this video was great of part 2 that I almost forgot about, this only includes 2 micro figures. Bruh. Let me just place that on top of him and like scoop this up. Oops. Yeah, it's too sticky. Can't hold it much longer. Yeah, let me just use my bare hands then. He's like, no, I don't want to get buried. No. Bro, he got buried. Bro, he's getting. No, he's getting buried. I don't like this one, but I'm still happy. I got the one that I wanted to show you. It was from Toys R Us. And I found some Lanky Box. So this is why I wanted to get this. I have to help my mom. But if you are happy today, hey, and it's night time, so you can go sleep. to sleep. If you watch the full video, well, thanks for watching. Let me just sandwich it. Oh no, the sand. The extra sand. It's falling apart. Yeah, my hands are dirty. So let me go wash them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So good night, and thanks for watching too. Bye bye. Bye bye.